What you can see is all original from 1850, like this.
Yeah. So it was our pleasure to basically show you how we renovated all textile building into Toyota.
This building, what we can see here, it's 1850, starting like the paper factory, and then for another centuries it was textile. We are really pleased that we can connect the history of the Toyota and of this building and of the factory. We purchased this building 6 years ago, and the renovation, it's 5 years. For 5 years, we completely renovate the building. Little piece of the history of the Toyota, the loom.
Rolling machine.
Yeah, loom machine, it's a function. The first, when started the Toyota with a loom, and now they make it a great car. Yeah.
New floors, new windows, and all this we must renew because it was painting.
You didn't touch the walls somehow, you could kept them as it is, or you also do some renovation on the walls?
Renovation, but it's original.
It was great to see. This was a very damaged brownfield building here, and the enthusiasm of Mr. Trutnov and his family was simply allowing to build up it in such a beautiful place. Now the Toyota brand is brand number 2 in Czech Republic.
Because the mountains here, the RAV4 is for us the most popular here. Then it's a Corolla Touring Sport, Toyota Pro Ace.
Pro Ace, a big one, yeah.
Yeah, that's a big one. In Czech it's a second, but in Trutnov it's for 3 years, Toyota is first.